Brother to the world. This is the MANSO Waterfalls. You can see how the woman.
I want to do I go on the MANSO for. See, who is in your man? Walk from the old driving. You say I think you Waterfalls. So who got him out of town? I'm sure I was a type back.
This is the washing bay. It's a hanging a walk. Too soon, you may be that is any passion or more yard, a connect with it. On our way, go, you know. Saying that we have been told that the name of the river is called Yaya River. But I'm telling you that Yaya River alone can take care of Nkransamai. Seriously. Sorry, that part. Find that. Number 5. What about you? I don't want to go to number 4. Number 5. Ha! Who is ready? Ha! Ha! They can go there. They can go there and just come like that.
Are you coming?
Where are you coming?
Hey, Mima. You guys, then you come and start to do it. Come and start to do it.
Well, Ampa News. We are trying, sir. And Yama, Otumfo Nyankopon Ede Ache Nkransamai baby a ehye bia no. Ye beyi saa ne mani nyina na ye de apie ama mansan nyina hu. Ne ka say ye wo bono MANSO Waterfalls. Na in fact, the ehunu ha no a boro enipa adwen sei ene entiase so. Now we don't know when the leadership of Nkransa, we don't know when they are going to tap into these resources and make profitable use of it to benefit the people of Nkransa. And it's an IC. As I would do now, who said the situation is here? A bona design and a bona design and I approve and I apart. As you know, every show a barbecue and Obaha. Some hat and Wakano and group some hat and Waka and group a. What is the Nkransa North District Assembly doing? Nkransa North District Assembly, what are they doing? Then these same people will come and tell us that we don't have IGF. We don't have IGF. IGF, no. Meaning say you need to tap into the resources that you have to generate the IGF. And the high say 5-star hotel 3 crowd high kisa. 5-star hotel. Makuma 3 crowd ever site ha kisa. It's the Obaha. Ready or my ladies and gents. One hour with me. Akwa yo hui. Maybe I'll bet arrested. And one time I had in the real. Hasa for and soon Musa, we can even create another pool. Oh, hey, because in Sunu, if you saw, they do an egg. Now, Safa, if you must Shibuha, we'll go there and look at them. I don't know. I don't know, I don't know. And we are going to have Green Ghana Day. And the BONO is Regional Coordinating Council alongside Nananum Ebaha, Ombedia, said you. Aside that, we don't know. Granza, idea high, no, we don't want to test it. Because sadly, we are the billions of, I would say dollars, not cities. Because, and that's some to. So let Ampa News team crew, let's take you round. Near said, hey, is it here? And I interview because Omunim, all of them they know. Obia ni wa omahada. Obia ba ababu hu said hey adia nyankopon dia chem kransaman aida. Obia ni. So we are not going to interview anybody. We interview na ka say. Oba to top papa, oba to can same give some basa no afan word. So we want to go into details. Now what we said there. BONO MANSO Waterfalls is it here? We will be able to do scar babishima or be home no makasa. Because how would you mean that? Uba now the son of was all. But people would like to spend days and time here. Now, so let's take you through how a BONO is it here near the Adina will go to. Ampa News, we are at the BONO MANSO Waterfalls. We are trying to go all round within the Nkrana South traditional area so that we will see what the Almighty God has given to the people of Nkrana, of which we are not making profitable use of it to benefit the youth and create employment. This is the entry point of the BONO MANSO Waterfalls. The system is in such a way that it has given itself an entry point to the pool. When you come here, you don't have to suffer before you get to the pool. It has created its own entry point. This is the entry point. See? So just as you walk in, you pass here and get to the pool. And you see them there. They are just doing their own thing there. But what we're asking is that we need to tap into this resource and make profitable use to the benefit of Nkrana. You see, when you come here, you cannot even sleep. You can't sleep here because there is no accommodation here. I'm told that it's just recently that the member of parliament managed to get them electricity here. If not, there wouldn't be anything like electricity here. They were battling with electricity all over. And we need serious people to come here, put up hotels, so that people can come here and have fun. And at the end of it all, it will create money. As I earlier indicated, we are not going to interview anybody because at the end of the day, when we put camera on them, they will end up saying all kind of things, but it will not materialize. You see the summer hat here? It's only this summer hat that they can boast of. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finished. That's all. And they have the ladies and the men, gents here. That's it. Meanwhile, we can put up mansions here. Mansions upon mansions. So that people can come and sleep here and generate revenue. Even if not for an individual, for the Nkrana of this assembly. But what do you see here? Nothing. Nothing. And you see, most of times, the assembly has been complaining of IGF. How do you get IGF if you are not making profitable use of what you have? What you have. If you are not making profitable use of it, how do you get IGF? You know the amount this pool can generate for the assembly in a year. Charlie, it's not easy. We are told that they will come after church and come and have their usual jam and what have you. So we are here monitoring church. We are going around. In fact, we are going to give you the true picture of BONO MANSO Waterfalls. Something that worth millions of dollars, millions of cedis, and it's just lying like that. We'll show you the picture of the entry point. If you want to come here, the wooden thing that they have done there with some, what do you call it? Is it fertilizer sack or what? Actually, Kwanzaa is serious. Sometimes we need to put our hands on our head like this and begin to cry because things are getting out of hand. So this is This is the natural facility that we have in Uganda here. Charlie, cameraman, let's go around and take clearer pictures of the rocks. How the rocks naturally they are being designed. It has designed itself. The rocks they are naturally designed itself. And oh my God, the tree is just going on the rock. The tree is just going like that. And I can see another one here. It's just growing in the rock like that. Wow. Wow. How can you this thing? This is the source of the river. The river used to come here. It used to flow from here. Wow. And they are making sure that they will not allow people to go where it flows from. You see, it flows from this direction. So they have put this thing here so that people will not get access to that place. Instead of us to plant trees to cover all these places so that the water can just be flowing like that. Tell it, if you are somebody who wants to invest in this, come and see my people. I'm from Grandon. If you think you can invest, you can put huge sums of money into this edifice. Charlie, if you come. Because I can see another heavy one here. Wow. Oh my God. Tell me what is happening here. You can't understand it. Tell me, come and see. The tree is growing alongside with the rocks. Where? Where in this country? Where in this country will you find a tree? A big tree. I think this is what? This is Domon. Huh? Where in Ghana here will you find a tree growing alongside with a rock? The tree sits on the rock to grow. Wow, that is a Ghana for you. Seriously. And look at the way. Wow. I'm deeply amazed. I'm seriously amazed with what I see here. Oh my God. God should have mercy on us. Charlie, let's get to this place and see what happened there. Oh. This one is you. Wow. This is the habitat for ants. Yes. And they are doing very well. That one too is growing alongside to make everything cool. Yeah. Hey, how I can imagine I have money to build hotel here. If I have money, like today. If I have money today, they will start the foundation. If I have money. Wow. Let's. If you want to relax, this is the natural summer hut. Wow. I can challenge this assembly to pull all their resources here in a year. So that we'll see what happens. Shall I need to go to where the water is flowing from? That one is very serious. Charlie, let's try. Let's try and see where the water is flowing from. Ghana to the world. This is the MANSO Waterfalls. You can see how the whole thing is there. Oh, wow. They are here, they are doing it here. Oh my God. Now how many children have? Almost senior more. You let me go. You don't find. What's the matter? Kelly, are you done? Are you done here? I don't know what's wrong.
What's that? Mongo. Yes. Why alcohol? Oko biana. Okay.
So apart from the normal entry points that the youth they have created for people to enter, the rock itself, the rocks they have created their own entry point to where the pool is. And now let's take you along and you see. You see, the rocks is by side and side. Oh, come on. That is the rocks. Huh? It has created its own entry point for the pool. So you see, it is said in America, apart from say, over entry points now one kasa create no. A bona ashada. Tell you, mama, come this way so you can get me one. A bona kasa creating own entry points. Over now, Baba Abisi room. Over here, not just say oh room. So this is the other side. This is the other side of the entry point, and this is the other side of the entry point. You go where the one kasa creating. This four. Because I have seen, I don't know if it is a tank that they are going to raise here, I can't best tell, but I have seen these corridors. Apart from the natural entry points to the pool, this is what we have been able to do. Yeah. Oh, Charlie, help me so that I will just as a true native of Uganda there. You see, it was just lying like that. And I need to help because we came here and did the plantation. Yes, we came with the president of the BONO regional house of chiefs, alongside all the chiefs within the BONO region to do this plantation. So if I'm here and the whole thing is just falling like that, I can't stand aloof and watch because you see the thing is growing and this thing is very small. So into me, it cannot accommodate it. Actually, I'm finding it difficult to do it. This thing it won't last because definitely it will fall again. Wait there, it's gone. So, yeah, apart from the original entry point, this is what we have been able to do. This is what we have been able to do. Yes. Tells you how serious we are. Apart from the normal entry point, this is what we have been able to do. If you want to enter, you come and pass this place and enter. Charlie, apart from natural wine now, utumi form kono. We ade we ne yaye. Ne ade kado we atu. My God. Charlie, grandson there, I won't talk more. We want to go to where they are washing. Is it advisable for them to be washing here? We want to go and have a look at it. But before then, no, Charlie, I challenge this one. Oh, this one there. Charlie. The tree is just growing on. It's growing on the rock. Charlie, is there any place in Ghana here that Ministry of Tourism, is that how they call it? Tourism and Creative Art or what? Is there any other ministry, is there any other place in Ghana here that they will have to develop, excluding BONO Waterfalls? Charlie, Grandma, you get a lot. Grandma, they offer. You know, okay, so we'll be feeling Grandma and any idea, you know. Grandma, near my one. Oh my God. Charlie, come and see. It's going on the rock home. My mom is so carrying him on. Piano, AC, BONO so. And a is piano, AC, BONO so. And a so can't we get people to come and pump in cash and make this place more attractive so that at least the youth, they will get work to do. Charlie, if there's a hotel here, can you imagine the number of people that they will employ? Oh. If there's a hotel here, if the chiefs should come together and demarcate a land alongside the pool, and there's a hotel here, there's a restaurant here, there's everything here. place is even properly developed, do you know how much a bottle of a malt will go for? We are told that they will be coming on. They will be coming after church. But I will not be here. Truly speaking, it's very sad. I will not be here. Say hotel or ha, and a bar crowd my bar or ha, and come out to back who boys. Na nipa do send anka saa ade we anya me dia che kwansaman nka ebe for moduma. Ampa News will bring it to light for everybody to see, because I was a idea we develop with immediate effect. Yeah, ni kapre am too scared be the way this opportunity get man fire home. Wow, can people will be sleeping here? You see, we met one woman there also about 2 months ni. What best come back 2 months ni. So don't feel, because there's nothing here. Don't mean that. Let's go and see. I know some. As somebody be one. In fact, I am Grandania. Uhua. Now I know some. So is that an American person? Yeah, try say but me access baby. And you know, a cocosano. Wasn't you know what baby? Ya ti se nipa hihye ho a omo ya de bo ya pese ye kona ekohwe ono we go you know any my cameraman doesn't know this thing we ye fidie banchi e na o matoto no mo de aba betoso no wow we banchi e na o de amango ato ase e na wa chichire banchi ni bi de ahye polythene mu wow enti se kusie ba kusie no timi jampo ma on dem cho hello kusie no timi jampo ba ti kusie no befa kusie no fa ya oduru ha pe itini kosie mu a na atwen so ha enti banchi na watoto no enti eyi hwa no odi ne ma bi aka county it will attract them ti kusie no betra say obeba ti o fa so si a owura na ti kose waya no mu a na ache no o ma so mfidie o Waterfalls no ho Sunday ngone ahwa dabi ahwa so ensuo kese na e ko hunu ha na abegu adere mo moju aro ano na asa cheti another pool wa ha no enti ipu se ai do me yi ya na fi ha me ama machine abai na ha nso aye another pool said ye ko hunu ha ya no be ha ni de weekends bunya onema bia na waba na oba be shi kama enti ni basa no this is mine. I have brought it. Hey, what's that in the box? Got it? No, we are no more. Who's the call? We are no more. What are you? What's up? No more. What's up? Huh? So what do you know? Wow. They are washing. And another pool can come here. Apart from the big one that we saw here, there can be an additional pool here because the whole system is also coming here. If we are able to drag this area, it means that we're going to get another sticky pool here. But as usual, we are washing. And then we see no how to Atabao. You would be right by. You pay your money. And I've you know home. You pay your money. You know home. Master. Sour. Sour. Yeah. I mean, I've ever seen your mom. I don't want to do it. Separate sense. I better ask you to this is what you know. Actually, huh? Oh, tell him to me on the bar. No, there will be a big pool here. Na asa na di musu ba. Ana mo. Aruso. Na me oba fa na ko.
Ise fancy.
Ise ko fa. Na mo na gigi skawa.
Benua.
Mo mo gigi skari no. Anya time bia no mo gigi ska.
Sunday. I say Sunday forever.
Don't take it. Sunday go on mo gigi ska.
Sunday I do a program wa na baba.
Dale. They have been babbling free. You can come here free. It's only on Sundays and every year we will program do hard and every on Mediska. Instead of them to sit up and take money and mobilize funds to develop this area, no, the place is open freely. Unless on Sunday maybe a program do hard, no market donation. No matter the one city. Now why? Yeah. The first one was. What's my key?
He's not on the motor.
It's a motor. Wow. That is you know. Your waterfalls, no. Waterfalls, and you could so be any no. Waterfalls, actually, waterfalls, let you know. Tell it. I have the same thing in my hometown. We'll get there. So you see, oh my God. Oh, you got her. Today, Charlie, you can't believe it. You can't believe it. Wow. Charlie, we need to clean this area small. Like the water will come by to come. Wallahi. And yet you are watching.
Yes.
That's what you know. How did this tree manage to grow here? Charlie. And what is that? Hey, look at the rock there. Charlie, look at here. There's another big rock here. Hey, look at where the water is going. Charlie, I can't come over unless you hold my hand. Charlie, hey, you don't want to get to. What a way you want to get to. Good. Allah. Charlie, make you look at here. Look at here. Hey, how's the mood, Hannah? I don't want to. Charlie, romance will not be easy. Charlie, romance will not be easy. We are not going today. Look at the shoe girl. He's just washing all his shoes and everything. See the water. Huh? Yeah. You see, this community, they have water problem. Romance, it's not easy to get boho. The entire community, am I lying? Yes. It's not easy. What is the name of this river? One person.
Romance.
No, Children.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yaya.
Yaya. The river name is Yaya.
Yes.
And you people have named it to the BONO Waterfalls.
Yes.
Yaya. River Yaya.
Yes.
Charlie, let's go. We have been told that the name of the river is called Yaya. Yaya River. But I'm telling you that Yaya River alone can take care of Nkransamai. Seriously. Because there's a lot here. If we are able to exploit them, my brother, we don't have any problem. Wow. My online editor will find time and come. Today he just came to do one or two things. So he will come. This is the washing bay. Eti ehanyina ye abo. Juicy nyama wia. You see the small girl. Was here we and Opa is going to dry them. Unfortunate and unfortunate for us, no. We have a car sitting in the river. Tell it for you. There you are. It's for your brother. Your brother is in there. He's not here. Wow. They just drive the car in there. Then they have it walk after that. They go. Hey, man, I'm ready. I want to step in.
Oh, why are you doing that?
The place is very sleepy. Wow. Now look here now. So they are just washing the car like that. Can I make you stop? The brother himself. Can I? What are the whole hand? Who's the one you wash here. And if you have a car, you can easily drive in. Come and park here. Then you have a car. You are gone. For feeling her power, I don't want to go home. I want to be here. That's unfortunately I won't get one. But the way the guys were just doing the thing, you can easily fall. When you step in it, you can easily fall. Come and get the gas. Oh, your camera no reach here. What you do? What you now? What you been going through, man? Over the city cross road. What you been going through? Now, who ya? What you down now from? Tell him, brother, there. I'm proud to be Tanzania. But it's unfortunate that we are not doing anything with it. We are definitely not doing anything with it. They started from the pool. I identify about 4 areas on which my pool is at home. And I had a last hour. Yes, that place we go there and find out everything. Wow. I'm going to start another song. Start this one. Unim. Hey, producer, let's go. Hey. are on the Tamale Highway. This is the Tamale Highway. So automatically you get to BONO. From BONO, then you get to Nipa Hiamwa. Then right after Nipa Hiamwa, just as you are getting to Nipa Hiamwa, you take to your left side and you enter the waterfalls like that. I've just realized that there's an entry point here. See, you can pass here and you assess everything. Let's look at how the whole thing is. You can pass here to assess everything. And you can also go at that end and assess the room. So ideally, there should be an entry point here so that people entering this way can pay something.